its kind event jointly organized by Department of IT, Bihar and Elit's Technomedia Private Limited. Today, through light on the advantages of digital learning, e-governance and how the city is witnessing huge growth in education, ICT and agriculture. Today's sessions by the key speakers from their respective fields has put forth that how Bihar has become one of the states to be bestowed with skilled manpower and creating an ICT ecosystem to bring revolution in the education sector. To felicitate the dignitaries for their achievements in their respective fields, today's evening is organized to give away the awards to the district magistrates and PSUs selected by respective jury panel. So our award winners will be felicitated by Honorable IT Minister Janab Shahid Ali Khan for their performance in the field of IT, e-governance and digital education. To enlighten this evening, we will start with the Ganesh Vandana. Thank you.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यबलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुरुपाय गन्धमट्टाय योजयप्रदाय धीमहि
wonderful performance it was. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Sailesh Srivastav, Technical Director NIC, to take this evening forward. I welcome you, sir, on the stage.
We are at the historic day again. We always create history, and today again, first time in the state of Bihar, e-governance initiatives by different departments and PSUs are being recognized by the government. And this also coincides with an event that Bihar has bagged 2 national awards in a single year, and this signifies that we are moving ahead. Being part of jury to judge these initiatives, the distinguished jury members for this awards were, it was headed by Mr. R. Lakshmanan, Additional Secretary General Administration Department, Mr. S. Chandrasekhar, Director Sanjay Gandhi Biological Park, Bihar, then myself, then Mr. Sanjay Kumar, Deputy Secretary, Office of Chief Electoral Officer, Election Department, and Mr. Rajneet Kumar Singh, Administrative Officer, State Health Society, Bihar. Altogether around 50 entries from different departments, districts and blocks came, and the jury members also has suggested many of the changes that should be done for the awards. Now we will go through each one of them. I request the award winners to kindly be in the queue. Before that, I request our Honorable Minister, Janab Sahid Ali Khan Sahab, and Principal Secretary Information Technology to come on the dais, please. For Panchayati Raj Department, I request representatives from Panchayati Raj Department. E-Panchayat suite containing Plan Plus, Priya Soft, E-Panchayat portal, Action Soft in 534 blocks and 38 districts of Bihar has been implemented. The accounts of Panchayat has been made online and is available in the public domain. And department has achieved 3rd rank in the country for implementation of this project. Please. The second award was use of digital application for service delivery to the citizen services, and the award goes to the health department. I request representatives of health department to please come on the dais. Sanjeevani software has been implemented to capture OPD registration, medicine disbursements, medical history of patients in PHCs or medical colleges across Bihar. This is an online monitoring system to improve availability of medical facilities in the state. The 3rd award for excellence in government process re-engineering goes to National Informatics Center Bihar and Education Department. Representatives of Chanakya software is a workflow-based solution to automate entire examination process for universities. This has been done for Maulana Mazrul Haq Arabi Farsi University, Aryabhat Knowledge University, NIT Patna, and other universities are in the progress.
Push me, and then just touch me. till I can get my satisfaction.
The fourth award is for Best Innovative Use of Technology in E-Governance. This award goes to the General Administration Department. This is for state government flagship program. This is a Adhikar software which is being implemented across Bihar under Bihar RTPS Act. The software has changed quality to service delivery up to the block level to the citizens. Multiple of crores of certificates has been issued through this system. I request the representatives from General Administration Department. I think big round of applause for the General Administration Department. They have done really good work. The fifth category is for Best Department or District Website, and this goes to the Rural Development Department. I think Sir is himself here. Very most informative and up-to-date website with most of the documents being delivered through electronic means. Rural Development this time works the National Award for E-Governance Gold Medal. Online services such as online application for recruitments, implementation of Narega Soft, Awaaz Soft, and large family survey under SEC has been carried out by this. The next award is for innovative use of mobile technology in e-governance. This award goes to the Environment and Forestry Department. Online e-plantation software to monitor physical and financial progress of plantations across the state has been done. Android-based application to gather data from plantation locations using geo-tagged time-stamped photographs capturing has been implemented in all the ranges of Bihar Education Infrastructure Development Corporation. I think MD is all with us. Up to the minute monitoring of various construction projects undertaken for the construction of buildings under education infrastructure across the state. Android-based application has been developed to monitor physical and financial progress of the projects from construction site.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Push me, and then just touch me.
In order to recognize initiatives at the district, this time we have two districts have been selected. Best e-governance implementation in the districts of the Bihar. The first one goes to the Gaya district. I think district magistrate is here.
Till I can get my
E-Samadhan for citizen grievance redressal and Android application for monitoring NREs. I think huge round of applause for the district magistrate. He leads from the front. His e-governance systems for Pitrik Paksh Mela has been widely appreciated. The next district award goes to the Khagaria district. Online CCTV based monitoring of important locations, Wi-Fi enabled collectorate campus, biometric attendance and online LPC for banks. These are the applications it has been done for Khagaria district.
push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Last but not least, in order to recognize the services being provided through the blocks of the districts, we had chosen one other category, and this time best e-governance implementation in block is Jalalpur block of the Saran district. Implementation of pensioners database, distributed bar-coded passbooks for the state and central pensioners, implemented e-blocks portal for delivering documents digitally, excellent delivery of services through RTPS and digitization of land records has been done.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction. Satisfaction.
So these are for the awards, I think.
Now I would like to invite our respected jury members to come on the dais who has contributed for this event a lot. Mr. Sailesh Srivastava, Technical Director NIC. Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Mr. Rajneesh Kumar Singh. And Mr. R. Chandrasekhar, sir, please.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
And just till I can get my satisfaction.
Congratulations to all the award winners. Now तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से एक बार इन सभी सर एक अवार्ड मैम के लिए भी तालियों के साथ एक बार मैम का भी अभिवादन किया जाए.
Till I can get my satisfaction.
Push me, and then just touch me, till I can get my satisfaction.
Let me just say that Bhavna ji has been a real help and support with the whole SCMT team and Department of IT, who has really helped making this event a success. Thank you, Bhavna ji.
Now I would like to request all the award winners to join us on the stage with the chief guest of the evening, Janab Saeed Ali Khan ji and Mr. Tripurari Saran, Principal Secretary, IT and Agriculture, Government of Bihar. Please, sir, join us for a group photo with the chief guest.
किया जाए स्टेज पर.
And then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
I would like to thank each of one.
Let me take this opportunity to announce that all the award winners will be featured in the next issue of the eGov magazine, where we will highlight the achievements of each of the award winners. And
इस शाम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अब मैं make this evening successful. Now, I would like to invite you for the gala dinner. And all the pictures, photos, videos will be uploaded on the website of eBihar of the conference. Photos you can download from the Facebook page itself today. Thank you.
छेला रे छेला पगड़िया चम चम चमकेला छेला रे छेला पगड़िया चम चम चमकेला लाली रे लाली
बोल बोल गोरिया जा
छैला रे छैला पगड़िया चम चम चमकेला
लाली रे लाली गुलाबिया बोल बोल गोरिया जा
छैला रे छैला पगड़िया चम चम चमकेला भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा पहिरे बनारसी साड़ी ओमे लागल गोटा किनारी रामा पहिरे बनारसी साड़ी ओमे लागल गोटा किनारी रामा किया रे रामा अंगिया पहिने मुलतनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा अंगिया पहिने मुलतनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा पौआ में पायल विराजी ओमे बिछुअन की झलकारी रामा पौआ में पायल विराजी ओमे बिछुअन की झलकारी रामा किया रे रामा कमर में पिन्हे कमर धनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा कमर में पिन्हे कमर धनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा शोभेला लांबी किसिया ओमे मोतियन माल सवारी रामा शोभेला लांबी किसिया ओमे मोतियन माल सवारी रामा किया रे रामा चोटी में लगल झुनझुनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा चोटी में लगल झुनझुनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा किया रे रामा रिम झिम के बरसेला पनिया भिजत आवे धनियाए रामा
सासो करा जोरिया करियो तीन धर्म के बतिया सुन के सुन के मैया सुन हमारो बंदनिया सुन सासो करा जोरिया करियो तीन धर्म के बतिया सुन के
पच्चीस के 36 के टिकवा टिकवा से
से चंदा दिखाई दी गोरी हमरा के घूटा से चंदा दिखाई सोने के सिकरी कमर कर धनिया सोने के सिकरी कमर कर धनिया पहुंची पे पहुंची गढ़ाई देबो पहुंची पे पहुंची गढ़ाई देबो गुड़िया हम तोहके बनारस ले जाके गुड़िया हम तोहके बनारस ले जाके चुनरी में मुनरी लगाई देबो चुनरी में मुनरी लगाई देबो गरी हमरा को उनका से चंदा दिखाई गोरी हमरा के उनका से चंदा दिखाई
हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा धानी के रंग में चुनरिया रंगादा अरे अरे गटवा लगाए दिहा धानी के रंग में चुनरिया रंगादा अरे अरे गटवा लगाए दिहा बिछे बिछे सलवा से तारा की झुलकी बिछे बिछे सलवा से तारा की झुलकी अचरा में चंदा छपाए दिहा अचरा में चंदा छपाए दिहा पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा
गोरी हमरा के उनका से चंदा दिखाई गोरी हमरा के उनका से चंदा दिखाई कहबूता घर बैठ चंदा मंगा देव कहबूता घर बैठ चंदा मंगा जोरिया भराई देबो अचरा जोरिया भराई देबो बिहने के ललकी किरनिया सजा के बिहने के ललकी किरनिया सजा के तोहरी डगरिया बिछाई देबो तोहरी डगरिया बिछाई देबो हगोरी हमरा के बहिया पे झूला झूलाई दे हगोरी हमरा के बहिया पे झूला झूलाई दे गोरी हमरा के घूटा से चंदा दिखाई दी गोरी हमरा के घूटा से चंदा दिखाई दी
पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा
गोरी हमरा के घूटा से चंदा दिखाई दी गोरी हमरा के घूटा से चंदा दिखाई दी
पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा
गोरी हमरा के घूटा से चंदा दिखाई दी
पिया हमरा के अब की झुलनिया गढ़ाए दिहा
गोरी हमरा के घूटा से
Well, thank you so much for the lovely
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका कि आप सभी लोग इस इवेंट में आए और खासकर हमारे आदरणीय हैं मंत्री जी शुक्रिया है सर आप यहाँ पर हैं आपके मिनिस्ट्री में आपके डिपार्टमेंट में ये इवेंट हुआ एंड आई इनवाइट एवरीवन नाउ फॉर द डिनर थैंक यू एंड सी यू टुमारो थैंक यू बाय